my name is Muhammad Ifuad bin Ismail. I am from Group 10. I want to present the full lab report about topic the principle of moments. So let me explain about my topic first. So, firstly about theory. The principle of moment states that when in equilibrium, the total sum of the anticlockwise moment is equal to the total sum of the clockwise moment. When a system is stable or balanced in its state to be in equilibrium as all the forces acting on the system cancel each other out. So, this principle can be explained by considering two people on a seesaw. As we can see, both people exert a downward force on the seesaw due to their weights. Person A's weight is trying to turn the seesaw anti-clockwise whilst person B's weight is trying to turn the seesaw clockwise. Person A's movement is equals to force times perpendicular distance from fulcrum. So the solution is 1000 times 1 is equals to 1000 Newton meter. Then person B's moment is equals to force multiplied by perpendicular distance from fulcrum. So 500 times 2 equals to 1000 Newton meter. So as a conclusion, anti-clockwise moment is equals to clockwise moment. Therefore, seesaw is in equilibrium. Then we go to the results. As a table shown, figure 3a, the ratio between F1 over F2 and D2 over D1 is remain the same, while figure 3b ratio for F1 over F2 is 0.65 bigger than D2 over D1, which is 0.63. After that, figure 3c have a ratio 0.53 for F1 over F2, but 0.63 for D1 over D2. Lastly, figure 3d, the ratio of F1 over F2 which is 0.42 is smaller than D2 over D1 which is 0.50. So we get a graph like this, which is a pattern of line of a graph is increasing. So we can conclude that F1 over F2 is directly proportional to A over D1.
Name is Muhammad Rafiq Akbar Abdul Rahman, metric number CD1900090. For the calculation, have two parts, is a left pivot bar and a right pivot bar. And for the figure have three types, means A, B, C and D. Okay, for the left pivot bar, figure 3 moment is 0.32 Newton meter. Figure B, moment 0.32 Newton meter. Figure 3C, moment 0.32 Newton meter. And then figure 3D, moment 0.32 Newton meter. And for the right pivot bar, figure 3A, moment is 0.32 Newton meter. For the figure 3B, moment is 0.305 Newton meter. For the figure 3C, moment is 0.38 Newton meter. And then figure 3D, moment is 0.384 Newton meter. Calculation of the ratio of force and the distance have figure 3A, B, C and D. For the calculation of figure 3A, force 1, distance 1. For the figure 3B, force 0.65 and distance 0.63. For the figure 3C, force 0.53 and the distance 0.63. And the last, for the figure 3D, force is 0.42 and distance 0.5. Thank you.
Okay. So my name is Muhammad Hanif Afandi bin Muhammad Ariri. My metric number is CD190038. So we go through to the observation. In our observation, for the test one, the distance of force for the left pivot bar was equal to the distance for right pivot from the center pivot bar. The force of M1 F1 and F2 are equal. SOP to the total value of moment is equal to 0. Thus, it is in equilibrium. Okay, so we go to the for the test 2. The F1 is maintained and small than F2 because the load required for right pivot is more than left pivot to balance the pivot bar. Thus, the ratios of force and distance is small. The distance of right pivot was shorter than distance of left pivot. All the experiment was success because the total moment equal to 0 according to the theory. From my observation, the ratio of force equal to the ratio of distance. This experiment obeyed the principle of movement state that the moment of clockwise equal to the moment of anticlockwise. When performing this experiment, we should use different weight and distance. The result should be entered in a table and a different point chosen about which movements are taken. Two factors are involved in this experiment. First is the magnitude of the force applied and the distance of its line of action from the axis about which turning takes place. Thank you.
Today, I'm going to talk about the discussion from the experiment. The first one is to discuss the graph obtained. Okay, from the graph obtained, F1 per F2 is proportionate to D2 and D1 with a positive slope despite the experiment were apparently impacted by some errors. This trend was expected as the hook was set in equilibrium in each test. Since the system is in equilibrium, there is no resultant moment acting which would cause it to turn the wake hook about any point. This is appropriately depicted by the graph obtained. The second one is discuss your opinion about the summation of moment from the experiment result. Okay, from my point of view, the summation of moment from the result must be 0 for all figure 3A, 3B, 3C and 3D since the system was considered in equilibrium condition in each test configuration. When a body is in equilibrium, the sum of the anticlockwise moment about any point is identical to the sum of the clockwise moment. In other words, the summation of the moment is 0. The summation of figure 3A is 0 because the force from both parts are accurately defined in equilibrium. However, the system or the pivot specifically was not perfectly balanced for the rest of the test, lead to non-zero summation of moment. And the last one is, if the moment is non-zero, what are the factors may affect the experiment? Okay, there are some factors that can affect an experiment, which is the leakage of knowledge during apparatus setup. Students must be prepared on how to set up the apparatus before the experiment begins. Next, human error during measuring and data gathering. This usually happens because human is not a robot. Robot can do perfectly well and we can use another approach such as ask our teammate to make measuring to confirmation the data. Lastly, the apparatus is not in perfect condition and might be broken to give the most accurate result. Every apparatus have their period of time, and the more we use the apparatus, the shorter the life period of the apparatus. From the experiment, we can conclude that this experiment aided us to understand more about the principle of moment in order to apply with engineering design such as bridge, building structure, shipping, construction, and many more. This would give students an idea of thinking to imagine how this application works. Despite the achievement from the experiment, there are several problems that we face during the experiment, which is there is no small weight load such as 0.00 Newton to balance the bar accurately. 0.05 Newton is very small force and it is hard to produce that kind of weight. Next, it is hard to define an accurate load to balance the bar in level position. Furthermore, we found out that there is a lot of friction occurs in bar joining and the pivot hole distance is too far. This may longing the time to finish the experiment. In conclusion, we suggest that make maintenance scheduling against apparatus, especially on critical link, the movement, calibration of the gauge and weight scale. When carry out the experiment, we should handling carefully to obtain the best result. Do repeating data measurement in order to get range result. The last one is do preparation before performing this experiment by literature on reference book or journal as a guidance to prevent any abnormally data gathered during the experiment.